Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Future of CAD. And today I am going to show how to create the text on the flat surface in Catia v5 software. Okay, let's get into the video. Here, when I open the Catia software, the interference to be look like this. First here, I go to Start menu and select the part design. Here, enter the name of the part and click OK button. Our graphical area will open. Here, go to sketch and select the plane. After that, select the central rectangle, draw from the origin and give the dimension as per your requirements. After the dimension, exit from the workbench and add the thickness in pad tool. And here our model is bit ready. After completing the model, again go to Start menu and select the drafting. In the drafting, go to Modify and select the A4 size and click OK button. In the drafting sheet, add some kind of text here, which is to be bold. After completing the text, go to File and save as the file in DWG format. After saving the file in DWG format, again reopen the same file. When you reopen that file, that text should be like this. After that, select the text and take copy of the text. After copying, open the part file. Here in the part, go to Sketch and select the surface. And here, paste the text. If our text to be like this, and go to rotation and rotate the sketch. After rotating the text and make some arrangement in the text. Delete the old text. And now our sketch text is completed. Exit the workbench. After the exiting from this workbench, this is as per your requirements. If you want any art thickness, should be like this, and if you don't want this, go to the pocket for providing the cutout. Here I add some kind of color. Go to the property and here select the colors. Click OK button. After completing all our text on the flat surface, it should be like this. I hope you guys are understanding this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel, The Future of CAD. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.